welcome back to my channel once again. So if you are new on this channel, my name is Hetkem. I am normally a makeup artist and also I do makeups on YouTube, but today I am doing something contrary to what I normally do. As we all know, we are in the corona season and we are all in need of masks to wear, and I thought of showing you the easiest and simple way that you can do a homemade mask without going through too much stress. So without further ado, let's jump right into my video. So it doesn't really matter whether all my face are not showing. What is important is what I'm showing you. So you can use any old t-shirt that you have. I prefer white. I am somebody that really like white colors, so I'm using an old t-shirt that I have. It's white, and then I'll cut off the hands. So I'm starting off like that, and the things that you'll be needing are just scissors and an old t-shirt that you have. So I'll cut it from the armpit side, like here. You don't want to rush this process, you take your time. So after you cut it, you must get something like this, like in a V shape like this, and then you get something like this. You see, when you get something like this, you fold the side like this. You fold it like this. You see what I did? You fold it like this at the side, and then you take your scissors. Then you start cutting through it. I'll show you how I do it. I cut it 7 times, 7 times. Yeah. You do the same thing at the other side. So at this stage, what I am about to do is, I have this old dress that I have this thing around the neck which I don't need. So what I'm about to do is to cut it, and then I will put it inside the small holes that I need. But if you don't have set thing like this, you can try and cut any dress that you don't want the back, or try and find something that is thin like this. So what I'm about to do is to cut it like this, and then I did one off camera so it's easier for me to show you the other side. So what you will do is, we folded it before we cut it. We cut it. So what I will do is to try and find the holes like this. It is, and then I will put inside it. So easy and so simple, like that. You finish, you should get something like this. After you tie each other, then yeah, this is the finished look. So after you finish, you should get something like this. So thank you for watching. See you again next time. Bye bye.